Next stop in our free to do series is Olcott Beach in Olcott, New York. It's such a charming little town and I can't wait to show you around. First stop is the adorable little lighthouse that's on the shore. And it looks like it's open so we can go in. Even Rex wants to go in. And what do we have? We have brochures. And we have a history of the lighthouse. It's very interesting. Lots of things the area has to offer. Right next door to the lighthouse, you'll see this adorable little Olcott Beach sign. Right next to the Lakeview Village shops. For the cost of gas to get down here, you can stroll along beautiful Lake Ontario and pick up a souvenir. It's a pet-friendly area as Rex has already found a bowl of water. You can't go in there, mister. Such a cute little area of shops. You can get ice cream. You can find a dozen little gift shops. Just down the road from the gift shops is Olcott Beach. And I'm gonna walk down there because you can see that there is also ice cream for sale. One of my favorite restaurants used to be up here. I hope it's still open. Along the way is Carousel Park. It does not look like it's open now. The sign says it's open 12 to 6, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. When this is open, it's so cute. It's all got stone wall all the way along. Beautiful flowers planted. And you can see there's a swimming area roped off. There's some kids down there. Let's go check it out. Looks like they've got lifeguards on duty. I said duty. I think this is the first time I've ever seen it open, honestly, which is fantastic. Up here, up these stairs, is picnics and pavilions, and it's Crawl Park, which is one of Rex's favorite places to walk. They have an upcoming jazz trail. Well, there's my restaurant. Let me see. You could eat dinner out here overlooking the water. Looks like they're still here. This is Mariner's Landing, one of my favorite restaurants. And it looks like they're hiring help because they're opening soon. Woo! There's another view of Carousel Park. There's places to sit. There's murals and buildings. This is a park right next to it. Oh, we gotta go see. I gotta show you one thing. More murals on the walls. Oh, got a butterfly. But see that chair? And the baby chair next to it? Friends of mine built that. Good job, Chris and Diane. This is a new mural since the last time I was here. goes to show you they're always improving. There's a couple restaurants. This is also new since the last time I was here, which means that there's even more places for kids to ride rides and enjoy downtown Olcott. Now we're headed to the Olcott Harbor Overlook. Oh, you can walk right up here on the platform, have a picnic, overlook Olcott Harbor. There it is, right there, across the street. It's across the bridge. But right there, that little building is where you pay to launch your boats and kayaks. Also housed in Kroll Park is Ye Old Log Cabin. So if you cross the street, Kroll Park's over there. We just left Ye Old Log Cabin, sorry. Across the street, you can see there's playgrounds. Right there is a splash pad for kids. There's a basketball court here. And laced throughout the entire park is fitness stations. So it's a really great place to bring your family, and it doesn't cost you anything. So that's it, kind of short but sweet. If you got kids that you want to bring down to the beach, you want to lay out in the sun, you want to go swimming, you want to come for ice cream, buy some gifts or souvenirs, play on the playground, or play on an amusement park, a small kid-sized one, this is the place to go. And this is why we're hightailing it out of here before we get rained on. It's a good time to visit here though. Thanks, Olcott. After a hard walk, Rex has got to have his water. Did you have fun, Rex? Must have been pretty good. Even the visitor center is cute in this town. It's awesome, and you should try it. Thanks for watching, everyone.